Welcome to Layer, an add-on that equips your Google Sheets with powerful collaboration tools. It's the easiest way to collect data and automate your processes on top of Google Sheets. You can sync data from different tools and sources into Google Sheets, share parts of your spreadsheets like specific sheets or even cell ranges with collaborators, set deadlines, and automate recurring tasks. Your collaborators can then make edits and updates to the shared file and submit it for review. And you get to review and approve every single change before merging it back with your master file, giving you more control over your data than ever. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can get started in minutes. Layer works on top of your existing sheets and offers two main tools: integrations and connections. You can use integrations to connect your favorite tools and platforms and import data directly into your spreadsheet, allowing you to sync all your data in one place. Once you have your data prepared, you can use connections to collaborate with others. Connections allow you to share parts of your spreadsheet with different people and collect data. That way, you can give your teammates access to parts of your Google Sheets without sharing or exposing other sensitive information. Let's see this in action. Say you're a head of finance, you're preparing the business budget, and you need to collect data from your HR and marketing teams, but you don't want to give them access to the entire business plan. This is where Layer comes in, because you can give both teams access only to their relevant sheets or ranges. All you have to do is specify the sheets or ranges you want to share, who you want to share them with, and provide context on what needs to be done. Then define deadlines, if needed, and automate recurring tasks like weekly metrics updates or monthly reporting. Layer will automatically inform and remind your collaborators whenever an action needs to be taken. By creating a connection, Layer will create a new separate spreadsheet that sits in your drive with the shared data and share it with your collaborators with individual access permissions. The connection will also stay in sync with your master spreadsheet, meaning that when you change anything in your main file, these changes will be reflected in the connection. Now your collaborators can access and edit the connection as a regular Google Sheet without having to install Layer. Layer will inform you whenever any edits have been made to your connection. And you can connect your Slack to get real-time notifications, so you can review and approve pending changes. You can then individually accept or reject each one before merging them back with your main spreadsheet. And if managing and reviewing your data gets overwhelming, don't worry. You can invite and add people as connection co-owners who can help you manage connections, receive updates on pending data reviews, and approve changes. That way, you can maintain full control over your data, avoid any unwanted edits, and make sure no errors creep in. So what are you waiting for? Install Layer if you haven't already, and share your first connection so you can start managing, automating, and scaling your processes on top of Google Sheets today.